adventures of the bearded bobber. I'm bearded, she's the bobber. She's the real star of this show. She's loud. She's mean. She's my Indian princess. How are all you guys doing today? As you can see, I'm doing wonderful. Got some beautiful SoCal weather. It's like 100 degrees, which is a little hot for us normally. But I'm from Kingman, Arizona, and I don't mind the heat, so I'll take it. Got a nice wide open road going through these back hills on San Mateo Canyon. If anybody knows it, it's a pretty fun little road. Just want to watch out for the jackasses. I used to be one of the jackasses though. I used to have to take this road at like 4 or 5 in the morning, and when you know this road like the back of your hand, you start whipping in and out of the curves as much as possible. But I'm on the better part of it. I'm not going on the crazy part today, so maybe next time for you guys. Okay? Alright. Got these beautiful lampshades over here. And I don't know why. There's no houses right here that are all over the hill. Alright, so this is my first motovlog, as you guys can tell. I'm probably just rambling a little bit. I'm a little nervous, but that's what happened. The last time I used to do YouTube, I did some video gaming channel, and I actually really enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun. But you know, I get a little older, games get a little crazier, and I found my new love, this Indian Scout Bobber, the 2018 first year. I believe it was about 3 months ago that I came across this beautiful bike, and I fell in love. Like, you know, love at first sight is real, and I know my lady's gonna kick my ass for that one, but no, I love her, and she's been nothing but supportive for me in this. I'm doing the too much. I'm sorry, guys. For me in this game channel. Hi, guy. Just getting on my road here. You're new. But nothing but supportive and fantastic. From getting the bike to doing YouTube to taking the motorcycle course, she's got her own Kawasaki Vulcan-esque bike, and it is a gorgeous, like, flat lava color. Like, you guys will see that in other videos. It's a pretty bike. She's definitely going to be going on rides with me. But I fell in love with this bike, and I was all over YouTube. I couldn't get enough of it. Like, I started out, I believe I found Brandon Picasso's videos first, and the dude, I love his videos. I love his vibe, everything about it. He just does a fantastic job. Maybe one day I can live up to his videos. That would be great. And there's a bunch of other channels too out there like that. You know, I've already even mentioned Meatball Rebel. He got me loving this RCX exhaust. Like, he posted a video of it when I was looking for exhaust for my bike, and it was so good. He posted some funny stuff. There's a bunch of guys, Dazzle Rebel and Invictus. There's many more. JFast. I love watching all their videos, and what I realized is I was running out of videos. Like, I was watching all the Indian guys' videos, and I really loved it, and it made me love YouTube again and want to get into it. And hey, my fires finally came in. I got my stuff back on, and now I'm going through these hills talking to you guys. So hopefully I can actually get this video up tonight, and you know, get started back into this world, and make some great content for you guys, hopefully, and take you along on these ventures that some of the other guys don't get to do. Like, there's Oakland and Big Bear, and next year there'll be Laughlin, which I actually used to live in Kingman, Arizona. Like I was saying, I actually worked in Laughlin, Nevada a couple years after the big motorcycle shooting everybody knows about. Laughlin gets brought up, that gets brought up, and it goes hand in hand like peanut butter and jelly, you know. It's sad. Oh man. So I hope I'm doing a good job, you guys. You let me know in the comments what you want to, you know, talk about, what you want to see. Like, if you're from the area, you know, just let me know. Like, I love talking with people, so that's what this is all about, right? I mean, I'm talking to a camera, hoping there's other people on the end of the line, you know? fishing hole up here. Beautiful curves. It's a very fun road, especially when you're first starting out. I am a newer rider. Granted, I've been around bikes my entire life, but I'm getting more into the real, like the heart of bikes and building them and all all that stuff is stuff that I want to do now. And I gotta say, it's good to this Indian Scout Bobber. I can't get enough of it. And there's a great team at Indian Redlands. They just were fantastic. Made the experience even better for me. Well, I think my next video will probably be going over this bike itself, and unless I can find something else to ramble on about for you guys. I think I gotta pass this guy first, so if I can get one of these turns, that'd be fantastic. So. But other than that, I think that's enough for me today, you guys. Let me know how you feel. I'm probably going to get some more. There's a lot more of this San Timoteo Canyon, and I think I'm gonna have to go through it for you guys. We actually have a not a train, no open bird train. Oh well. All right, YouTube, you stay classy. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another, fuck that. 3. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another damn it, I did it again. Take 4! Like, a long time. And I don't think this take is gonna actually make it, so, because I keep getting stuck behind slow motherfuckers when I could be sitting here romping these corners, making this video look super sexy. Oh fuck, what is that smell? Oh, you guys are lucky you don't have to smell, and it's wet. Oh man, why is it wet? What the fuck was that? Oh, you know that was some moldy shit, right? Fuck. This is gonna make the outtakes though. That's what this is gonna fucking make. I'm fucking,